Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is Statistical and Geospatial Inside YouTube. We are meeting again in lesson number 15, which is about the PICO model. By the end of this lesson, you shall be able to apply the PICO model to develop research questions. Research questions are very important tools that structure research objectives in some researches or in some areas. But the problem is that development of research question might be a problem to those who are starting carrying out research or some undergraduate student. There are a number of models which are all used to develop research questions, but choosing the right ones depends on the type and study domain. Research questions are often structured using frameworks like the PICO model to make sure that the questions are specific and answerable. The PICO framework breaks down a question into population, intervention, comparison, and outcome. For example, the population represents who are you studying, and this could be patients or problem. For example, when you are studying a population of lung cancer patients, then your population is lung cancer patients. Intervention. What is the intervention? For example, in the case of the lung cancer, the intervention could be targeted therapy. Comparison. What is the alternative to the intervention? In this case, it could be radiation therapy. Outcome. What is the outcome of this study? The outcome is successful treatment. Example number one, advanced lung cancer treatment. Population is advanced lung cancer patients. Intervention is the integration of earlier palliative care. Palliative care is a specialized medical approach that improves the quality of life for people with serious illness by managing symptoms, providing emotional and spiritual support, and assessing with practical problems. This attention can be provided at any stage of an illness, regardless of age, and can be given alongside other treatment. Comparison is standard oncological care. Oncological care is a medical treatment that focuses on diagnosis, treatment, and management of cancer. It includes a number of different treatments like surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, and targeted therapy, always delivered by multidisciplinary team. Outcome, improved quality of life and symptom management. Research question based on the components above, the question can be structured like this. In patients with advanced lung cancer, does the integration of earlier palliative care compared with standard oncological care alone lead to improved quality of life and symptom management? Another example, in patients with suspected malaria, does ELISA compared to microscopy have a higher rate of correct diagnosis? In this case, the population is patient with suspected malaria, intervention, ELISA, which means enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, comparison microscopy, outcome higher rate of correct diagnosis. Conclusion: the PICO model, applicable for both quantitative and qualitative research questions in healthcare and evidence-based practice. In case of quantitative studies, it leans itself on measurable outcomes like treatment effectiveness. In qualitative studies, the PICO model is modified in such a way that the population will become phenomenon of interest, and these phenomenon are experiences, attitude, and perspectives. Thank you to follow and subscribe. See you in the next video.